everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a new unboxing of a Misfit market. They just delivered it. We do have a every other Thursday delivery set up. So let's see what we've got today. This week we have a little bit of different insulating in our package. They actually put in like this foam. It's almost like insulation you would put in a house. We've got some cherry tomatoes. It is a full little plastic container of those. I got 2 bunches of scallions this week. Those look really nice. Those will be great touches for meals. Some sauteing and things that we'll be doing. I do have plans to make coleslaw this week, so I went ahead and grabbed some of the red cabbage, and these are smaller, so that's perfect because I'll probably just use these sizes, so that's great. I got another bunch, 2 bunches of radishes. This week they actually are really big. The ones that I got week before last, they were on the smaller side, but these are perfect. I got 4 green peppers. This one didn't quite make the delivery. It's actually not, it's not in bad shape, it just broke apart. I got 2 red Bartlett pears. I did get regular green pears last week, or the week before, but this week we did the red Bartletts. And then I also got something that I normally don't get, they're not available all the time, is purple radishes. They look kind of like a potato. They are purple in color. But they are also just like a red radish. My 5 seedless cucumbers again. And if you remember, I spoke about these in the last haul. They're kind of on the small side, and so that's probably why they are included in this, as Misfit Market does do produce that is rejected by the grocery stores. These are still really great cucumbers, and I prefer the size like that. Again, not everyone in our house eats vegetables, and so the quantity makes it easier so they don't go bad. We're able to eat them a little bit faster. There's a few more red Bartlett pears. They tend to send things in 4s is what I have figured out, so it's pretty good quantity. They did have these ambrosia apples available this time, so I got them. I did sign up for red potatoes, so we got 3 small ones and 1 large red potato. Then I have 4 russet potatoes. These are actually really good size. Last time they were on the smaller side. I got 2 navel oranges, and then I got 2 grapefruits, and these, you can tell they're on the smaller side, so that's probably why they were rejected. And then last but not least, I did get 5 lemons. They look pretty good. There's one there that's kind of already softening, but we'll go ahead. What I do with these, if I'm not gonna be cooking, I make lemonade with those just to make sure they get used. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to show you what Misfit Market does have to offer. Again, they do offer produce at about 30% off retail price. They do have other items as well, flour, certain baking needs. So I will leave the link down below. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and always get content that we've got. We do a wide array of food, cooking, anything kitchen related. So thank y'all so much. Be blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.